Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 6th August. Let's start. In the year of 1774, on this day, Mother Ann Lee, founder of the Secush movement, arrived in New York. In the year of 1825, on this day, Bolivia gained independence from Peru. In the year of 1862, on this day, the Madras High Court was established and inaugurated on 15th August. In the year of 1906, on this day, the prominent freedom fighter Chittaranjan Das and other Congress leaders together started the publication of Vande Mataram newspaper. In the year of 1914, on this day, Austria declared war on Russia. In the year of 1921, on this day, freedom fighter and former governor of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, K.M. Chandi, was born. In the year of 1925, on this day, Surendranath Banerjee, Indian National Congress leader, passed away. In the year of 1937, on this day, the National Cancer Institute was established in the United States. In the year of 1945, on this day, US dropped atomic bombs on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. In the year of 1960, on this day, Cuba nationalized all the wealth of the country. In the year of 1962, on this day, Jamaica gained independence. In the year of 1964, on this day, the world's oldest tree, Prometheus, was cut down in Nevada, USA. In the year of 1986, on this day, India's first test tube baby was born. In the year of 1991, on this day, Tim Berners-Lee released files describing his idea for the World Wide Web. WWW debuted as a publicly available service on the Internet. In the year of 1996, on this day, NASA predicted the possibility of life on Mars. In the year of 2007, on this day, an old Hindu temple in central Trinidad was damaged. In the year of 2007, on this day, Hungarian scientists claimed to have found a fossil of a pine tree about 8 million years old. In the year of 2010, on this day, at least 255 people were killed in flash floods in Jammu and Kashmir. In the year of 2011, on this day, Yingluck Shinawatra of the Pheu Thai party in Thailand became the country's first female prime minister. In the year of 2012, on this day, NASA's Curiosity rover reached Mars. In the year of 2015, on this day, at least 15 people are killed in a suicide bombing attack on a mosque in the Saudi city of Aba. In the year of 2020, on this day, President Ramnath Kovind appointed Manoj Sinha as the new Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Sinha replaced Girish Chandra Murmu, who resigned from his post on 5 August. In the year of 2020, on this day, Serum Institute of India, Pune, and US-based Novavax had signed an agreement to supply Novavax COVID-19 vaccines to India as well as other low and middle income countries. Under the agreement, at least 1 billion doses of the vaccine, also known as NVX-CoV 2373, will be made available to India and other countries. In the year of 2020, on this day, US President Trump signed an executive order banning the Chinese video sharing app TikTok and its parent company. This order prohibits any transactions with TikTok parent company ByteDance Limited or any other company related to it. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.